In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your purchase history on eBay. If you need to quickly check the items you've ordered on eBay, this process is very simple and only takes a moment. Your purchase history is the section where eBay keeps an itemized list of your past orders, so it's useful when you want to review what you bought, check order details, or confirm a previous purchase. To get started, open your Chrome browser. Once Chrome is open, go to the address bar at the top, type in ebay.com, and press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to eBay's homepage. Before moving on, make sure you're signed into the correct eBay account, because your purchase history is tied to the account you used when placing your orders. If you're not signed in yet, you may need to do that first so the correct account information appears. When you're on the eBay homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the My eBay section. Move your mouse cursor over My eBay and pause there for a moment. You usually don't need to click right away because hovering your cursor over it will open a drop-down menu with several account-related options. From that drop-down list, find and click Purchase History. After you click it, eBay will take you to the page that shows your itemized orders list. This is where you can view the products you've purchased, and depending on the order, you may also see additional details such as order dates, sellers, delivery updates, and other related information. If the page doesn't open as expected, give it a second to load or make sure your internet connection is stable. Also, if you have more than one eBay account, double check that you're signed into the one where the purchases were originally made. That's a common reason people don't immediately see the orders they're expecting. And that's it. By opening Chrome, going to ebay.com, hovering over My eBay, and selecting Purchase History, you can quickly access your full list of past purchases. It's a straightforward feature, and once you know where to find it, it becomes much easier to keep track of your orders whenever you need them.